Scrapper Bob here, and I found this aluminum rim today in that microwave on my way home from work. This aluminum rim seems like it's in perfectly fine shape. I don't see any dents or I don't see nothing wrong with it. This was sitting out by the trash, leaned up against the trash cans, and there's a Dodge Ram truck in the driveway, and it looked like they had rims kind of like this on there, so I guess that's what this came off of. I don't know if it'd be worth my time trying to sell this thing, or if I just scrap it. What y'all think? Well, it does have some scratches right there. I wonder if that's why they got rid of it. Just for that. Pretty cool rim.